Here we are at the stunning Sunis Kumköy Beach Resort, a true gem on the Turkish Riviera. From the moment I arrived, I could feel the vibrant yet relaxing atmosphere of this place. Nestled right on a gorgeous sandy beach inside, this five-star resort promises an unforgettable holiday experience, and I'm here to take you on a tour. Let's start with the first impression, the entrance. As soon as you step into the lobby, you're greeted with an elegant, modern design and a warm welcome from the staff. The check-in process is seamless, and within minutes, you're handed your room key and ready to explore. But before we get to the rooms, let's talk about the beach and pools, because this is where Sunis Kumköy really shines. The resort boasts a private, golden, sandy beach with crystal-clear waters. The beach is wide, well-maintained, and equipped with sunbeds and umbrellas, perfect for a lazy day under the sun. If you're more of a pool person, you're in for a treat. There are multiple pools, including a massive main pool, a quieter adults-only area, and even a water park with fun slides for both kids and thrill seekers. The poolside service is excellent. You don't even have to leave your sunbed for a refreshing drink. Now let's talk about food. If you're a foodie, you'll love it here. The resort offers several a la carte restaurants serving everything from Turkish specialties to fresh seafood, Italian classics, and Asian cuisine. And of course, the buffet restaurant is absolutely impressive. Fresh, delicious, and constantly stocked with an incredible variety of dishes. The desserts? Simply out of this world. When it comes to entertainment, there's never a dull moment. During the day, you can join in on beach volleyball, fitness classes, and water sports. In the evening, the resort comes alive with live music, dance shows, and themed parties. Perfect if you love a lively atmosphere. But if relaxation is what you're after, the spa is a must-visit. The traditional Turkish hammam experience here is next level, and the massages will leave you feeling completely rejuvenated. Now, let's take a look at the rooms. Whether you choose a standard room, a spacious suite, or a sea view option, you'll find modern decor, ultra-comfy beds, and all the amenities you need. The balconies are a great place to unwind, especially in the evening when you can enjoy a peaceful sunset over the Mediterranean. So, is Sunis Kumköy Beach Resort worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're here for a family holiday, a romantic getaway, or a solo escape, this resort delivers a perfect mix of relaxation, entertainment, and luxury. Would you stay here? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hotel reviews.